If your body is stuck in survival mode, no amount of motivation or rest can fix that. Your body needs to feel safety before it can change. Before you can go into rest and digest, your body needs to feel that safety. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two simple yet powerful practices that'll calm the nervous system down, bring the body out of survival mode, and by all means, this might be life changing. It will be simple, and I'm going to be doing it in just a couple minutes. They don't take too long, they're not extreme routines, nothing complicated. Things that work and are backed by science. So, when we think about regulating the nervous system, regulating isn't about forcing yourself to relax. It's about teaching your body that it's safe again. Small signals of safety repeated daily are more powerful than intense techniques done once. Consistency calms the nervous system down, not intensity. So you could be doing a practice, one massive reset. You'll feel great. But after time, well, you might just fall right back in. So you need to learn to regulate your nervous system safely. And that's why in this free course, there's already been videos to help you regulate, to help you stay regulated, and so you don't fall back into fight or flight, if that makes sense. So you'll be better regulating your nervous system, and by all means, of course, you'll just be much better and healthier. Because it's not about just resetting it, which is kind of what these practices are going to do, but you need to learn to maintain. And that's what this course has also been teaching. So if you look at the previous videos, you're going to learn a lot. A lot. And most people don't understand trauma or understand things that lead to a dysregulated nervous system. It's more than just trauma. So by all means, definitely consider watching those videos. So the first practice is super simple. There's two practices and they might be similar, but they're not. One of them works best for anxiety and the other one is more of a nervous system reset. And I'm going to be doing both of them with you. So the first one is a simple breathe in 2 times, then exhale out. Let's do that right now. So I want you to relax. I want you to feel pretty comfortable and just relax. Number 1. Okay, let's do it. Just like that. It's that simple. You will literally feel a shift with this. You might even get lightheaded because for some reason I definitely feel like I'm getting lightheaded. I don't know why this keeps getting out of focus, but as you could tell, that's literally, wow, must be a big shift or something. Why is this thing really out of focus right now? So as you can see, that's what it is. Inhale once, twice, exhale. And you can do it 3 times. It's really quick, it's really simple, and yes, you will feel really calm, present. You might even feel a shift with this one. Sometimes I feel uncomfortable with it, and that's completely fine. Just give it some time. So just do it a couple of times. These are really powerful. For me, I feel it. It really takes away the anxiety, and it really just shifts me. I feel really good right now. If you're an empath, you could probably just feel my, probably feel my energy being more calm right now. I definitely feel way better and more energized. So that is the first one. The second one is truly on another level. Many people know this. Many trauma therapists use this one. It's called the physiological sign. You're going to inhale through the nose, pause briefly, and then take a second short sip of air, and then exhale slowly. So we're going to do this one even 2 times or 3 times. You can do it 5 times, but let's just do it. So again, let's do this. Let's go. Let's relax. So this is in and then this is out. So it's going to be a really big inhale. So it's in like a few seconds, 4 or 5, whatever, and then a little one, and then out. I'm going to do it again. and really do a longer exhale. You could probably go, you could breathe in longer for if you want to. For me and for the sake of this video and whatnot, I do a lot of breath work, so So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's inhale, pause, little one, out. Overall, if you really, really want to get the best of this, do a really long inhale. And I believe me, I could go really long if I wanted to, but um, again, you do really long, just a little one, and then out. This one is a complete reset for the nervous system. And there's even more practices, but I'm not trying to go over above and beyond here and do practices that, I haven't fully yet mastered or I just don't have enough science on it. So, by all means, if you're someone who's definitely um, into this kind of stuff and you guys want even more practices, better, because I do know more, like a vagus nerve reset, where I'm not certified for that. I don't know if I should even do one of those. It'd be really hard because I'd be on the floor doing the exercises. It is incredibly intense. That one removes trauma from the body, and there are stretches to remove trauma from the hips, which is a big area where trauma is. um, there's a lot of practices that I could do, a lot of stretches, or again, nervous system reset, vagus nerve resets I could do. If that is something people want, let me know. But by all means, of course, these are very powerful um, things you could do. More things you could do as well is just simple breathing, inhaling for 4 seconds and exhaling for around 7 seconds, let's say. This is good. The longer the exhale, the more the body kind of just switches. So this is another thing you could do. So you will breathe in for 4, exhale out for 7 seconds. And of course, grounding. If it's cold outside, maybe it's tough. Get a grounding mat. Lay down on the floor. If you have a carpet or a yoga mat, laying down on the floor is a great way to ground your energy and just relax. Um, get with water. Get with nature. When it's really cold outside or it's snowing, which is kind of what it is, you're gonna have to do the best you can, or just maybe buy the technology, or just do some of the breathing techniques and whatnot. Relax. Overall, consider watching other videos so you learn how to um, best navigate your everyday life and keep that nervous system calm, because it is the most important thing as of now. And for people that are dealing with so much trauma, there's been a lot of trauma, and there's been many things that have come up for people and things that people have dealt with. So, share your story. Excuse me. Thank you all so much. Super grateful, thankful, and I really appreciate everyone who watched. If you guys want me to continue this course and keep it up, by all means, I will. And definitely be sure to watch the other videos. Appreciate everyone. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you all so much.